Listen, within a minute of New Year in Salford, not far from Salford Quays, in Eccles, in Manchester, Salford. So, listen, they're all going mad already. Any minute now, it's New Year, any second now. I can't see a blooming thing because of the conifers. Conifers are in the way. But I can hear it. I can't see anything though. Can you see anything? I can't. I think it's New Year also. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! There we go! Bang, 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 bang! Oh, it caught me that one. Bang, 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 bang. Ooh, ow, right in the balls. Ow, oh, oh, that hurt that one. Happy New Year! I can't see a blooming thing on the screen, but I can see flashes. So, Happy New Year! Happy New Year to you and yours. I can't see mine because I don't know where it's gone. Happy New Year!